The power of grapefruit, a citrus marvel for heart health and beyond. Grapefruit, with its vibrant color and tangy sweet flavor, is more than just a refreshing breakfast staple. It's a nutritional powerhouse, offering a wealth of health benefits, particularly for cardiovascular well-being. While its interaction with certain medications warrants cautious consumption, its inherent properties make it a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Grapefruit and heart health, a cholesterol-lowering champion. The correlation between grapefruit consumption and improved heart health is compelling. Numerous studies have demonstrated its potential to significantly reduce blood cholesterol levels. This benefit is particularly relevant for individuals with heart disease, who often struggle with elevated cholesterol. Incorporating a single grapefruit into the daily diet can initiate a noticeable decrease in harmful LDL cholesterol, a primary contributor to plaque buildup in arteries. The mechanism behind this cholesterol-lowering effect is multifaceted. Firstly, grapefruit is rich in soluble fiber, which binds to cholesterol in the digestive system and prevents its absorption into the bloodstream. Secondly, it contains powerful antioxidants, including naringenin and hesperidin, which have been shown to inhibit cholesterol synthesis in the liver. These compounds also contribute to improved lipid profiles by reducing triglycerides and increasing beneficial HDL cholesterol. Moreover, grapefruit's high vitamin C content plays a crucial role in maintaining arterial health. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, a protein that strengthens the structural integrity of blood vessels. By fortifying the delicate tissues of arteries and veins, grapefruit helps prevent arterial stiffness and reduces the risk of atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by plaque accumulation in artery walls. Beyond cholesterol management, grapefruit's potential to reduce blood pressure further solidifies its heart protective properties. Studies suggest that regular consumption can lead to a modest but significant decrease in blood pressure, likely due to its potassium content and antioxidant effects. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and counteract the effects of sodium, while antioxidants promote vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels, which improves blood flow. Grapefruit and weight management, a natural fat burner? The notion that grapefruit can melt fat balls might be a simplified interpretation, but there's a kernel of truth to its potential role in weight management. Grapefruit is naturally low in calories and high in fiber, making it a satiating food that can help control appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. Its high water content also contributes to feelings of fullness. Furthermore, some studies suggest that grapefruit compounds may influence fat metabolism. Naringenin, in particular, has been investigated for its potential to activate AMPK, an enzyme that plays a role in regulating energy balance and fat oxidation. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms, these findings suggest that grapefruit may contribute to weight loss efforts when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Grapefruit and oral health, a gum-strengthening ally. The benefits of grapefruit extend beyond cardiovascular and metabolic health to encompass oral hygiene. Its high vitamin C content is crucial for maintaining healthy gums. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, which is vital for the integrity of gum tissue. Regular consumption of grapefruit can help strengthen gums, reduce inflammation, and prevent gum bleeding. Moreover, grapefruit's natural acidity can help stimulate saliva production, which plays a crucial role in neutralizing acids produced by bacteria in the mouth. This can help prevent tooth decay and gum disease. However, it's important to note that excessive exposure to acidic foods can erode tooth enamel. Therefore, it's advisable to rinse your mouth with water after consuming grapefruit and to avoid brushing your teeth immediately afterward. Grapefruit and immune support, a vitamin C boost. Grapefruit's impressive vitamin C content makes it a valuable ally for immune system support. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also plays a crucial role in the production and function of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. Regular consumption of grapefruit can help strengthen the immune system, making it more resilient to pathogens. This is particularly beneficial during cold and flu season. Important considerations: grapefruit and medications. While grapefruit offers numerous health benefits, it's crucial to be aware of its potential interactions with certain medications. Grapefruit contains compounds, particularly furanocoumarins, that can inhibit the activity of enzymes in the liver and intestines that metabolize drugs. This can lead to increased drug levels in the bloodstream, potentially causing adverse effects. Individuals taking medications, especially those for heart conditions, cholesterol, blood pressure, or mental health, should consult with their doctor or pharmacist before incorporating grapefruit into their diet. They can provide personalized advice based on individual health conditions and medication regimens. Incorporating grapefruit into a healthy lifestyle. Grapefruit can be enjoyed in various ways. It can be eaten fresh, juiced, or added to salads, smoothies, and desserts. When choosing grapefruit, select fruits that are firm, heavy for their size, and free from blemishes. While grapefruit offers a range of health benefits, it's essential to remember that it's not a magic bullet. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are crucial for overall well-being. In conclusion, grapefruit is a nutritional powerhouse with a wealth of health benefits, particularly for heart health. Its cholesterol-lowering, blood pressure reducing, and artery strengthening properties make it a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. However, it's crucial to be aware of its potential interactions with medications and to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. By incorporating grapefruit into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, individuals can harness its power to promote cardiovascular well-being and overall health.